Hi, what's up, what's up? Hi, what's up, what's up? My name is iBoss. Welcome to another video. This is a dance tutorial. It is Tesumole dance tutorial. You understand? I've been giving you back to back on the channel, you get. So today we want to do a dance video. It's a new dance per se. It was done by Naira Marley. So today I will not be teaching you. Basically, I'll be using someone from the other side of the world. Her name is Naira. She's beautiful. She has this kind of vibe. So after now I introduce her, please, you know what to do at the end of the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Because we need subscribers, help our life.
Hey guys, it's your girl Layo, King Layo. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to do the Tesumole dance. I know y'all have been seeing it everywhere because it's like the new rave on social media after the Lord of Lamba literally spoke it into existence. And then people have been having different issues about the dance movement and the coordination, so I am here to help you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first off, you start with your legs close together with your knees knocking, and then the first thing you do, I like starting with my left here. So the first thing we're actually going to do is jumping to your left with your toes pointed towards your right and then your heels pointed towards your left, just like this. The thing is, after you jump, you go back to your original position. So it's actually a very simple step. It's just going 1, 2. So we're going to try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. So after you do that, you do the same step towards your left, towards your right hand side, going 1, 2. So basically, it's just doing it towards your left and doing it, jumping back to your original position, and then doing it towards your right again. So we're going to take it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to take that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2. So after doing that, the next step is actually going to, it's basically a jumping jacks without the whole hand movement and stuff. So you just go 1, 2. It's actually very easy. It's just open and close. So we're going to take it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That was actually pretty easy. You should be able to do that by now. Let's do it again one more time. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's actually very easy. And now here comes the very, not really complicated, but a little tiny weeny little bit complicated, yeah? This is where it gets a little bit complicated with the leg movements, but just stay cool, stay calm, you get it. So after doing the 1, 2, 1, 2, and your jumping jacks, then you go your right leg forward with your left leg back. It's just actually easy, like a stepping forward, like you want to run, not really run, yeah, but just 1 and take it back to your original position. So basically 1, 2. Then your other leg is coming back to meet this one, and they stay side by side. So running from the top again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do it one more time from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after doing that, you do it again, but this time your right leg is actually going backward while your left leg is coming up, and then you come back to meet. It's just like the first step, but then you're doing it the other way around, because the first step was your right leg going forward, your left leg going back, but now your right leg is going backward and then your right leg is coming forward, just like 1, 2. So let's run it from the top again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is not, I'm not going to say exactly complicated, because calling it complicated will actually make you feel scared or anything. It's just not so simple. You just have to do with your 2 legs going forward at the same time, in like, you know, this Michael Jackson moves when he goes all, but not exactly, because not everybody's a Michael Jackson. So anyways, so you're just basically going to jump forward with your toes, just 1. You don't necessarily have to land exactly on your toes. It's just you going a little bit, you know, putting your heels up a little bit, just they go back to the original position. So this is basically 1, 2. So let's run it from the top with the Michael Jackson move. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then back to your original position. So you're trying to lift your toes up a little bit and make it seem like you're landing on your heels, not exactly on your heels, yeah, but just give that impression. So when you go 1, 2, then 1, 2, just basically your toes land, your heels land. That's actually very simple. So let's run it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's actually very, very simple. That's all today on the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also share with your friends, and obviously you can follow me on all social media at kvng_layo, obviously with a double O. See you, bye.
All right, okay, easy. I've started. Ease. Started.
Should I stand up?
Yes, you can.
So
hi, what's up? My name is Hi, what's up? Hi, what's up? My name is Ibo. So this is another tutorial. It's a dance tutorial. Tesumole dance tutorial. Tesumole dance tutorial. I'm running that all over again. You don't have to stop. So that's all. I will see you later at the end of the video. So that's it. Peace out. You can't stop it, please.